For the remainder of this section, we're going to focus our attention on distance, and in this one in particular, we're going to talk about the distance between a point and a plane, and how to find that. So, the distance between a plane and a point Q not in the plane is D. It's the magnitude of the projection of PQ onto N, or another way you can find this distance is it's the absolute value of the dot product of P and N divided by the magnitude of N. And this point P, so I'll say where P is a point in the plane and N is normal to the plane. So let's look at an example problem here. Let's say I want you to find the distance between the point 1, 5, -4 and the plane 3x minus y plus 2z equals 6. So the first thing we're going to need is this point that they give me here. This is my point Q. Okay. I need a normal vector to my plane. So remember, one way you can find this, take your coefficients in front of your variables. So 3, -1, 2. And I also need a point on the plane. A point on the plane. So to find this point, what we're going to do is we're going to look at my equation of my plane, and I'm going to substitute in for my variables. I need to find any point would work. So let's say let's let y equals 0 and z equals 0. Let's plug that in there. So if I plug that into my plane equation, I'll get 3x equals 6 and x is 2. So this point on this plane that I just found is the point 2, 0, 0. And this is what I'm going to call P. So I need the vector PQ. So remember, it's terminal minus initial, so it'll be 1 minus 2, 5 minus 0, -4 minus 0. So this will be -1, 5, -4. So now I'm ready to find the distance. It's the absolute value of the dot product here over the magnitude of N. So I'm going to take the dot product of -1, 5, -4 with the normal vector 3, -1, 2, and then I'm going to find the magnitude of the normal vector, 3 squared plus -1 squared plus 2 squared. So let's see what I get when I compute this dot product. I'll get -3 and then plus a -5 minus 8 over the square root of 14. So when I'll get -16, take the absolute value, 16 over the square root of 14, And that would be my answer for the distance, but if you want an approximate measurement, it would be approximately 4.28.